Yes, guys, in this video, I'm going to review a meme coin that I've been seeing all over my TikTok. And you guys know when you see viral meme coins over TikTok and you get in early, there's high probabilities that you're going to make some money. No financial advice in this video, just showing you what projects I'm looking for. And yes, I have aped into this project. So first of all, let's check out their website. So guys, it's memecoins.com. There you go. Make sure you are on the right project. All right, cool. So we'll go through the website and I'm going to tell you why I'm so bullish on this project and why I've been seeing it all over my TikTok, because there's some alpha that you guys need to know. So let's check out their socials, right? So let's jump onto their TikTok. Let's see what are they rocking with. Woo! So obviously, this is a meme coin from a viral dog, all right? So you know what happened with Doge. Doge was a viral dog and it made a meme coin of Doge. And we all know what happened to Doge. It went to the billions, baby. So this is a tribute of the viral dog. All right, let's go back to the website now. And as you can see, the TikTok has 7 million views, 3 million, or that's followers. The Instagram has 3 million, and the YouTube has 12 million. That's absolutely crazy. And already, guys, this project isn't that old. We'll have a look exactly how old it is, but it's already on Mexi, L Bank, Bitmark, Poloniex. This is very bullish, guys. All right, let's have a look on CMC. Let's find out some more information that we can share together on this one. All right, cool. So it's always good. Remember, guys, buy when it's on a freaking dip. So we're down 7.4% today, which is great, because you don't want to be buying when it is mooning. But overall, I think maybe this is in the last few minutes, but overall in the 24 hours is up 10%. But remember, there's a big pumped up from tokens launch. So a lot of volume's going in that. So this is probably a perfect time to get in this coin. All right, it's on the Ethereum network, which is great, because what I love about Ethereum, guys, is Ethereum guys know how to hold their coins, not like Solana Jeets. Yeah, and looking at these dates, guys, this is 10 days old. For 10 days to be on all these exchanges is absolutely crazy. And I still haven't even showed you the best part yet. So I've done a bit of investigations, and this is how I investigate as well, guys. Put the ticker, go on your Twitter, and scroll down and investigate. And here's what I found out doing my research. But you guys need to do your own research too. I found out that these guys is the same team behind Shiba Inu. For you guys that don't know about Shiba Inu, let's go onto CoinMarketCap and type in Shiba Inu. And let's see where are they on the charts. They are 19 on CoinMarket, the 19 biggest cryptocurrencies on the planet. 7 billion market cap. And if this is true, you do your research. My research told me it's true. And I've seen the actual team on the same spaces as this meme coin. Then this is way undervalued. Because if one of their projects, if the team's behind that meme coin and their first project is 7.9 bill, then this is way undervalued in my point of view. And let's take a look now, guys, as well. Let's see all the mutual followers, because I've always told you guys, if you watch my content, 1, you want to look for the team. 2, you want to look for the people that are following the page. Let's have a look. So there's a few people here that I know in this ecosystem that is very big. And guys, look, I don't care about anybody in these followers. The main thing I care about is this Shiba token. So yes, that project that I just showed you at how many billions? $7 billion market cap is following them. So I'm hearing that it's the same team. I'm seeing them on the spaces. They're following their account. You do you, baby. You do you. I will link their socials in the description for you guys to also do your research. Till the next time, peace.